So Gabe's is really about doing the simple things the right way. It's a home-style neighborhood bar and grill. We're just trying to offer our neighborhood something a little different, something close to home, and something that they can kind of feel comfortable coming to, whether it's after a T-ball game or after a night out or to watch a Packer game, just some place that they can kind of call their own. My aunt makes a wonderful margarita that we used her recipe to make a base margarita mix that I think we now have 10 or 12 different margaritas that we're able to make at any time. Growing up, my dad always made this amazing beer can chicken, and my mom always made this pot roast that was just to die for. Literally every birthday, when I wasn't living at home, she'd bring one up for me, or every time that I'd come home, she'd have one ready for me, which was fantastic. So we really, when we're designing this restaurant, we based everything off of those two proteins. I usually try to get my influence with winter drinks or creamier drinks from desserts. And if I go have a Snickers bar, how can I make this a drink? Because there's a lot of different flavors and alcohol that you can mix together to make some wonderful things. We're kind of hidden back a little bit, so we may be a little harder to find, but I believe we're kind of a hidden gem in Oshkosh.